do a volcano experiment. To make this volcano model, take a small bottle. Add some dough on the small bottle and paint it brown. Next, add some little bit of food coloring to make it look wet so that it will look like lava when it is coming out. You can also add some red paint around. Now, we will do the experiment. The experiment where it will explode. First, add 3 spoons of baking powder. Make sure there's teaspoons. Now we can add some vinegar. Can you add some vinegar in the volcano?
What is baking soda? What does it do?
The baking soda is the base. It and the vinegar will make a chemical reaction. Now it will explode any minute. It's not working. It will work. Be quiet.
Can you add some vinegar?
Come on, more vinegar.
Okay, and what happens when base and what is vinegar?
Vinegar is a acid, so you can use any acid. For example, lemon juice, but we're using vinegar. Look, I mean, wait.
I think it's quite deep enough, that's why.
Wait.
Do you think we need more baking soda or vinegar?
It's coming. It's coming. I saw it. Now it's coming. I'll just add a little bit more baking soda.
Okay, leave it there. Don't touch.
It's coming. Whoa. It's big.
What's happening now? Why there are so many bubbles?
Because it is a chemical reaction, the vinegar and the baking powder.